Welcome back to Something Talk 1. Today, we're exploring how small businesses and startups can harness the power of artificial intelligence to drive automation, enhance analytics, and fuel growth. AI isn't just for large corporations, it's a game changer for businesses of all sizes. Let's dive in. AI-powered automation. Automation is one of the key benefits of AI for small businesses. AI can handle repetitive tasks such as data entry, customer service, and inventory management, freeing up valuable time for business owners and employees to focus on more strategic activities. Tools like chatbots can provide 24/7 customer support, while AI-powered software can streamline administrative tasks, improve efficiency, and reduce operational costs. Enhanced analytics and insights. AI-driven analytics can provide small businesses with deep insights into customer behavior, market trends, and operational performance. By analyzing large data sets, AI can identify patterns and trends that might be missed by human analysis. This enables businesses to make data-driven decisions, optimize marketing strategies, and improve customer experience. For example, AI-powered tools like Google Analytics can help track website traffic and user behavior, providing valuable insights for marketing and sales strategies. Personalized customer experiences. AI can help small businesses deliver personalized customer experiences by analyzing customer data and preferences. By understanding individual customer needs and behavior, businesses can tailor their marketing efforts, product recommendations, and customer interactions. Personalized experiences can lead to higher customer satisfaction, increased loyalty, and ultimately, more sales. AI-powered tools like recommendation engines and personalized email marketing can help businesses connect with their customers on a deeper level. Streamlined operations. AI can optimize various aspects of business operations, from supply chain management to demand forecasting. By predicting future demand and optimizing inventory levels, AI can help businesses reduce waste, lower costs, and ensure that products are always available when customers need them. Additionally, AI can enhance workforce management by predicting staffing needs and optimizing employee schedules, ensuring that businesses are always operating at peak efficiency. Scalable solutions. One of the greatest advantages of AI for small businesses is scalability. AI solutions can grow alongside your business, adapting to changing needs and demands. Whether you're looking to expand your customer base, enter new markets, or improve operational efficiency, AI can provide the tools and insights needed to scale your business effectively. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI offers immense potential for small businesses and startups to drive automation, enhance analytics, and achieve sustainable growth. By leveraging AI-powered tools and solutions, businesses can stay competitive, improve efficiency, and deliver exceptional customer experiences. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Something Talk 1 for more exciting content. See you next time.